happy day in Adrice's Kitchen 6-9. Have I got the recipe for you today? Doesn't this look delicious? It's our version of shrimp made with egg noodles. Yes. You're going to follow the instructions with how to boil these egg white pasta. Just put it to the side. You're going to need 1 bag of shrimp. It's what, got 51 to 60 pieces, right? And another skillet, you're going to saute half this onion and about 4 cloves of garlic and a green pepper. Saute that together and use some seasonings. We put coriander, some oregano, and of course our Sneevy BBQ spice, because it has all the seasonings in there and salt, hickory smoked salt. So you don't need any more salt. Yes. Now after you saute that, you're going to open up a can of tomato sauce, tomato paste, and a can of diced tomatoes. Give it a little more spiciness. I needed some more sauce, so I'm going to use my zesty Italian Catilina dressing. Pour it all together, mix it all together, and this is what you get. Put a little chicken broth in there to soften it up and make it just more delicious. Woo. I even put in a can of corn and some olives, green olives, to give it such a Italian flavor. Look how I'm going to eat mine. Doesn't that look delicious, y'all? I put a little mozzarella cheese on mine and some garlic bread. And I'm going to have mine with some of my Snuggles green tomatoes. Ooh, they so sweet and spicy, y'all. You know, this is the kind of meal you need a red wine. So let it be. Let it 691, y'all. And if you would like any of our products, go to sunmoonproducts.com where you can order you some Sneevy, love that barbecue spice, or some Snuggles green tomatoes, y'all. Yes. You know, just play with your recipes, enjoy, and have fun. Yummy for your tummy, y'all.